Opened on the 15th of September 1840 by the Northern and Eastern Railway as Edmonton Station, Angel Road Station was actually situated 3/4 of a mile from Edmonton Village. The station was leased to the Eastern Counties Railway in 1844, although it then renamed it to Water Lane Station on the 1st of March 1849 after it became a junction, following the opening of a branch line to Lower Edmonton to the northwest. The station was then taken over by the Great Eastern Railway in 1862 and renamed to Angel Road Station on the 1st of January 1864. It had a small goods yard to the west and Tottenham Gasworks located to the south. The London Borough of Enfield announced in January 2014 that a new station named Meridian Water, some 600 metres to the south, would be constructed as an integral part of the proposed Meridian Water development. The new station would be required to cope with the expected increase in passengers associated with the project. The new station was opened in May 2019, with Angel Road Station closed on the 31st of May 2019. And the closure of the station was ratified by the Office of Rail and Road on the 11th of May and then closed. So, with Angel Road's replacement underway, we start with 317885 and 317501, working the 1608 Greater Anglian service to Stratford. Next through is 317508 and 317510, working 2 Oscar 41 from Hartford East to London Liverpool Street. And as that disappears into the distance, coming the other way is 379029 and 379009, working 2H42 from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North. Next up, getting a little bit flirty, is 745106, working 1 Bravo 81 from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. Next to pass through the station, 317341 and 317506, working 2 Sierra 40 from Stratford to Bishop's Stortford. And after just missing the Stansted Express, 379012 and 379028 pass, working 2 Sierra 43 from Bishop Stortford to Stratford. So we're going to be beat. Next up is 379025 and 379013, working 2 Oscar 44 from London Liverpool Street to Hartford East.
316. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
And next to pass through is 379019 and 379002. Working 2H. Coming in to terminate now with a service from Stratford is 317342 and 317347. And once all turned around and ready to go, 347 and 342 depart with the 1638 service to Stratford. You're not catching me out this time, as 317512 and 317507 gets passed by a UID set of 379s, working 2 Oscar 43 from Hertford East to London Liverpool Street and 2 H44 from London Liverpool Street to Cambridge North, respectively.
Does not stop here.
Another one that won't catch us out as 745101 gets flirty, working 1 Bravo 85 from Stansted Airport to London Liverpool Street. And as that disappears rather quickly, 317885 and 317501 pass, working 2 Sierra 42 from Stratford to Bishop Stortford. I'm ready for you again. And coming in the other direction, 317881 and 317883, working 2 Sierra 45 from Bishop Stortford to Stratford.
Hello everyone.
Time to get a little bit more flirty as 745107 passes through, working 1 Bravo 86 from London Liverpool Street to Stansted Airport. Next up is 379016 and 379021, working 2H45 from Cambridge North to London Liverpool Street. And going in the opposite direction, 317508 and 317510, working to Oscar 46 from London Liverpool Street to Hertford East. And here comes our train in the form of 379028 and 379012, terminating with a service from Stratford. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.